we are at one of the great venues in world football, the Santiago Bernabeu Stadium, the home of Real Madrid. Martin Tyler here, along with a great co-commentator, Alan Smith. With great anticipation, we're looking forward to the match coming up very shortly. It's Real Madrid against Bayern Munich.
I think if we get a nice, sharp, quick tempo to begin with, we're in for a real treat here, because we've got a couple of entertaining sides that love to go forward.
This is the Real Madrid lineup. Thibaut Courtois starts in goal. Sergio Ramos plays with Rafael Varane in central defence. Toni Kroos starts with Luka Modric in the centre of the park. Karim Benzema is the lone striker today. Bayern Munich's lineup. Manuel Neuer starts in goal. David Alaba starts with Jerome Boateng in central defence. Thiago plays with Joshua Kimmich in midfield. Robert Lewandowski is the main striker today. They have won so many trophies, Real Madrid, and of course, in terms of the Champions League, they've been setting new standards as well in more recent times. It's a great part of the tour here, actually, if you get the chance ever to go into the Real Madrid trophy room. Fantastic array of football paraphernalia and memorabilia.
Yeah, it's not a place you can zip around in 10 minutes. You have to set aside a good half a day. I mean, it's some spectacle. You've never seen so much silverware in one place.
Hazard. Marcelo. Made sure the pass wasn't completed. Thiago. Goretzka. Got his foot in to cut out the pass. Modric. Well, there's a contest within a contest today. It's Luka Modric against Coutinho.
Oh, Luka Modric, he's one of the best down the years at interplay, at using teammates. It's his awareness of their positions that stands out. As for Coutinho, he's one of those players where get him on the ball anywhere inside the goal and he can create an opening, he can unlock the door.
Goretzka. Some players arriving in the middle now. That's very good shielding of the ball. Well, they're trying to put some pressure on him now, the attackers. It's Kimmich. Thiago. Joshua Kimmich. Well, they love the ball, these Bayern players. And they're trying to find an opening from their possession. Benzema. Here's Casemiro. Gareth Bale. Carvajal. Toni Kroos. Bale. Return pass. Aim for Karim Benzema. Couldn't get it past the first man to close him down. Goretzka. Coutinho. Thiago. Probing away, working away at the opposition with these passes. Signal given for Bayern Munich, it's their throw. It's Kimmich. Here's Pavard. Müller. Couldn't go down the outside, he's gone inside. Saw the pass and dealt with it. The wide man is Hazard. Could whip it in from here. And Neuer saves comfortably. Kroos. Now Casemiro. Karim Benzema. It's a shot! Well, the keeper's got that. Thiago. Davis. Joshua Kimmich. Müller. Lewandowski. Thomas Müller. Goretzka. Robert Lewandowski. Trying to find the opening, which would be so crucial. Left the defenders trailing now. Here's a chance. Bayern Munich have scored! So slick, so quick, Alan.
Well, once he got going, those defenders were never going to catch him. What a finish too.
Another angle on it here.
Nothing the manager can do at the moment. His team have lost momentum. They're also losing this match.
It's Bayern Munich who lead. Now Casemiro. Bale. Kroos. In towards Hazard. Could get the ball into the box now. Well, they kept up the pressure, didn't they? But it's finally been stopped now. Davis. Coutinho. David Alaba. Thiago. Bayern Munich shifting the ball around cleverly now. It was an interesting pass, wasn't it? But it didn't get through. Carvajal. Kroos. Gareth Bale. Rafael Varane. That's cut out. For Real Madrid, it's not been up to scratch so far. I think it's fair to say that. The scoreline shows that.
Yeah, they've been second best, a little slow to get to the ball, unlike them.
David Alaba. Davis. I would guess in this possession play here, they're trying to get the opposition to come out and harry them and maybe bend past their way through them. Thomas Müller. Goretzka. Now Benjamin Pavard. Joshua Kimmich. Coutinho. He's looking for the cross. Looked very good indeed, but the move has broken down. Eden Hazard. Sergio Ramos. Bale. With his skill, here's a chance to have a run at goal and take the opposition on. Went for the cross, the defender made the block. Referee has chosen to add on 2 extra minutes. Here's Pavard. It's Kimmich. Now Benjamin Pavard. So it's 1-0 here as the half-time whistle goes.
Sì, Milano, la città dell'amaro Ramazzotti, l'amaro di chi vive e lavora, l'amaro della vita, di una giornata che non è mai finita. Sì, l'amaro Ramazzotti, che è nato qui 170 anni fa e che ancora oggi porta dovunque questa Milano da vivere, da sognare, da godere, questa Milano da bere.
action resumes now with Bayern Munich at the start of the second half. Here's Pavard. Joshua Kimmich. Read the play well. In towards Hazard. Keeping calm in the pursuit of an equalising goal here, not panicking. Dealt with the danger. Casemiro. Does he want to cross it now? He could. That's an important clearance. Bale. Carvajal. Looking for Hazard. Cleared the ball. Robert Lewandowski. He's got possession back for his team. Real Madrid have decided to bring on a fresh pair of legs. Marcelo. Hazard. Modric. It's a good way to nick the ball back. Quick thinking. They continue to defend as a unit, but no real attacking outlet, so the game is being played in their half. Not in the danger zone yet, Bayern, but they're working towards it. Excellent array of passes. He's confident with the ball at his feet, isn't he? Good position for the cross. Signal given for Bayern Munich, it's their throw. And coming up is a switch in personnel for Real Madrid. Thiago. Well, he has got a chance to get the cross in. Coutinho. He should know better than doing this here. Throw in for Bayern Munich. Coutinho. Coutinho. Well, they couldn't keep possession. They've given it away. Bayern Munich ready to bring on a sub. Just read the intentions of the opposition there to make the interception. Rafael Varane. Here's Casemiro. Sergio Ramos. Modric. Modric. Pass threaded through. And the referee looks to his assistant, who's got the flag up. It's offside. Well, the crowd applauding as he's been taken off the winger, and his teammates applauding as well. That's the ultimate accolade, isn't it? He's had a very good game.
Oh, he has. He had all the tricks in his locker, put in some really good crosses that his strikers were grateful for.
Really trying to use the full width of the pitch here to make some progress. Tolisso. Joshua Kimmich probing away, working away at the opposition with these passes. Can really get at the opposition here. And that's safely away. Well, it looked promising and then broke down. Toni Kroos. Incisive pass. Now the possibility for a cross. Not really away from the threat here. Squandering possession cheaply, really, with that pass. One or two players arriving in the middle. Joshua Kimmich. It's looking a real uphill climb for Real Madrid.
Well, the time for patient, short passing has stopped, I think, because Route 1 is the order of the day now as they load the box.
Taking on the defenders. Time to get the ball in. Still a chance in there off the goalkeeper, and the defender is there to clear it. Well, they're still trailing, and they need to do something now if they want to get back into this game. Maybe some fresh legs will do the trick. Gnabry could whip it in from here. They've soaked up a lot of danger here, but it hasn't hurt them, and now they're on the ball. Can't argue with Bayern Munich with all their qualities. The opposition haven't been able to pick a fight really with them in the best sense today. They've been second best, and Bayern have been the better of the two teams. Space to cross the ball now. Did well to get the ball in, but they need more than that in the middle. And on the clock, 8 more minutes. Coutinho. Thiago. It's been such a good contest. Still just a one-goal in it. 5 minutes left now. Excellent attacking play here. They could open up the opposition now. Patient play from Bayern Munich. He's got a chance to cross. Now Benjamin Pavard. Very good attack, broken up in the end by good defensive play. Well, this will be interesting. Changes now for both teams. Now Gnabry. Trying to pick out Lewandowski. The post, it's bounced out. He has cleared it well. Tolisso. Thiago. Davis. Can go in from here. And that's given away possession. 2 more minutes to play of added time.
Real Madrid fans demanding a response here late on.
One more opportunity to get an equaliser. Benzema. Now, can he cross it? Tried to tackle here, and he's done that. That's the final whistle from the referee.